So now we'll start chapter 3, tree diagrams. So let's look at this problem. So given is the probability of a train being late, so which is independent of the days in which it's coming. So the question is what is the probability that train is late on exactly one of the next 2 days. So this question can be easily solved by the given tree diagram. So in which at every step there are 2 possible outcomes, late or not late. So given are the probabilities in the next diagram. So there are total of 4 cases. The train is late and late on the consecutive days, late, not late, not late, late, and not late, not late. So by this tree diagram we can calculate the probabilities of the 4 possible outcomes, so which is given here. So the probabilities, all 4 probabilities are calculated in the second diagram. So what are favorable probabilities are train being late on exactly one of the days. So our favorable cases are late, not late, and not late, late. So the answer to this question will be the sum of these two, so which is 0.255. So we can see that how a tree diagram simplifies the given problem. So let's take another more complex example for the applications of tree diagrams. So in the given question, there are 12 lectural students. 8 of them are members of the institute and 4 of them are members of the faculty. So we have to find out two different students are chosen. So what is the probability that both members of the same organization? So similar to previous question, in this question also, at every step there are 2 possible outcomes, that the chosen student is a member of the institute or the member of the faculty. So similar to previous question, we can calculate there are 4 possible outcomes, II, IF, FI and FF. So our favorable cases will be in which the students are of the same faculty. So II and FF will be our favorable cases. And how we have calculated the probabilities is at every step. So 8 members are of the institute. So 8 by 12 is the probability of a student being the student of the institute, and 4 by 12 is the probability of the student being of the faculty. So the thing in this question which is different from the earlier question is that probabilities are changing at every step. So initially the probability is 8 by 12 is 8 are the student of the institute. So in the next step, as one of the student of the institute is picked, so the chances of student being picked is from the members of the institute is 7 by 12, as the total number is reduced from 12 to 11 and the available members of the institute are 7, so the probability will be 7 by 11. So similarly in the case of members of the faculty also, that if a faculty is chosen, a student of the faculty, then the probability changes from 4 by 12 to 3 by 11. So our favorable answer will be II plus FF. So because the students are of the same organization, so IA plus FF is 17 by 33 as calculated in the below tree diagram. So we can see that how tree diagrams simplifies some complex problems.